Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 14th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of March, 2025, our system has ranked QQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.55. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the ETF has outperformed our system's predictions with a gain of 1.47%. This translates to an average return of 0.29% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within the lower range of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $467.84 is breached, it will signify a heightened rate of decline. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of 5.21% over the upcoming 3 months, with an anticipated return fluctuating between -7.55% and +4.95%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 20.18%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 17.44% and 36.75% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price within a range of $563.29 to $655.92. Our latest daily update for the QQQ includes the headline: the QQQ ETF price ended at $479.66 on Friday, after gaining 2.42%. The QQQ ETF price increased by 2.42% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 14th of March, 2025, rising from $468.34 to $479.66. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.57%, with a low of $473.12 and a high of $480.56. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 5.61% during this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 3 million shares, with a total of 43 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $20 billion and $49 million. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $540.80, while the lowest price was $413.07. Currently, the price is 11.31%, or $61.14, below the 52-week high of $540.80, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Recent headlines indicate a significant moment for the Invesco QQQ Trust, which is focused on the NASDAQ 100 index. As of the 14th of March, 2025, discussions surrounding dividends and total return are gaining traction. Investors are weighing the benefits of a dividend-focused strategy, which provides steady income, against total return, which maximizes capital growth. This reflects a broader market shift, favoring investors seeking reliable income in a volatile environment. Additionally, experts highlight emerging catalysts for dividend stocks, suggesting they could outperform in 2025 due to favorable market conditions. This might encourage more investors to pivot towards QQQ, attracting capital that could support and potentially elevate its price in the short term. Bill Baruch's recent trading move, selling RSP to buy QQQ, adds another layer of interest. Such actions from seasoned investors can inspire confidence among retail investors, further propelling QQQ's momentum. However, the narrative isn't entirely rosy. The NASDAQ has recently entered correction territory, raising concerns about potential declines. Despite this, some analysts suggest that income-focused strategies can help mitigate concerns over price volatility. With growth-centric stocks losing significant market value, QQQ's stability and lower fees are increasingly appealing, particularly amidst worries about overall tech stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QQQ a negative rating with a hold action. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. The QQQ ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a general sell signal for the ETF, suggesting a more negative outlook. Should there be further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $513. Conversely, if there is a decline, the ETF will find support from the short-term average at $478.46. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would lead to an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative indication. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 13, 2025, and thus far it has increased by 2.42%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot has been established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, which creates a divergence between volume and price and may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average has a sell signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 13 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average issued a sell signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 4 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $472.73, which may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support level is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is assessed to be medium. Over the previous day, the fund fluctuated $7.44 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 1.57%. Throughout the past week, the ETF experienced daily average volatility of 2.29%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, which could present a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $495.55. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $472.73. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and currently, no stop loss has been established. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment choice? Currently, the QQQ ETF shows several unfavorable indicators, leading us to believe that it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative outlook on this ETF. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 17th of March, we anticipate that QQQ will open lower by $1.88, starting at $477.78. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decision. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.